Okay, guys, few days ago we traded this particular asset called FX volume 60, and we used the trend trading strategy to trade this particular asset when it was at this support zone, and we traded the uptrend till it got to this region, this resistance zone, and from there we also traded it down till it got to this particular support region. And right from there, we knew that it's going to go into an uptrend because the trading tool also gave us the uptrend signal and it's not breaking out below this. And of course, it went as high as this, breaking out from the last resistance zone to get to this region. If you remember very well, 2 days ago within the Telegram channel, and I think I also created a video content about the signal. I also gave out this particular signal, a downtrend signal, and as you can see, it got all the TPs which were highlighted in the signals, and of course that's so amazing. Okay, so I've been on a track with this particular asset and hoping that it's going to go into an uptrend any moment from now. But I figured out something else this morning, and that is why I am coming over to you guys so that we can see this together. But before I show you what I figured out, okay, I will like you guys to know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and this video is for educational purpose. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details is right here in on the screen. Okay, so you can contact me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you, and of course you can also drop your questions down there in the comment section. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said few days ago, we traded this downtrend, gave us the downtrend signal at this resistance zone. Okay, we got the downtrend signal and we got the sell signal, and it started selling since then. Okay, so if you are wondering why my own chart is a bit different from what you are having from there, it's because I'm using a custom made indicator, and that has actually helped me to analyze better. Okay, so I'm on 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine you coming in right from this resistance zone where we got the downtrend signal, and of course so many sell signals at that point. Okay, you actually traded from there till this very moment. Okay, and at the beginning of this video I said we've been looking forward to an opportunity to trade a buy trend right from here, an uptrend right from here, but we've not been given a very good uptrend signal right from here. Why are we not getting a good uptrend signal? So I'm going to zoom out a bit, okay, so that we get to see what is happening right here. So you can see it right here, um, right here. You can see that this chart still have the tendency of selling till it gets to this horizontal line. Okay, so if it gets here and it's unable to break out from here, then we are most likely to see a buy signal or an uptrend signal right from here. But if it breaks out from here, then you should know that we are in for a big deal because this is really huge. Okay, we should expect it to come as low as this. Okay, okay, to come down to this region. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, guys, then it's going to sell more because this may likely get to the bottom part right from here. Okay, I mean from there. Okay, so this is very important. So we should be on the lookout for this. All we want to know is if it will get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then we should expect it to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very important for us to take note of. But if it's unable to break out or get to this region, we are most likely to have an uptrend signal right from there, which will give us an opportunity to buy more at that particular time. Okay, so let's keep on watching. Let's be on the track and let's see how we can take advantage of this particular asset. Okay, so guys, like I have told you, the trend trading strategy is still the best based on my own um on my own personal experience. Okay, because it gives you the opportunity to trade a particular asset on a particular trend for a very long time. You can imagine this is 15 minutes time frame, and you given the opportunity to come in right from here, and you traded the asset till it got to this particular spot. That's so amazing, and it's so beautiful, guys. So you guys can try it out, practice the trend trading strategy, and see how profitable it is. Okay, you should practice first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if you have any other question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.